Baby, won't you be my girl? Well, I've been waiting, anticipating